welcome back to my channel, Cherish Cocoa. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make fried potato and spicy sauce. You can use any potato of your choice, excluding Irish potato. Please do not use Irish potato because you are not going to like the results. Alright, so I'll be showing you how to fry it like dundu, like what we call dundu in Nigeria, fried yam. This is one of the best. We have so many types of potato. We have the purple potato, we have the Irish potato, we have the sweet potato, which is a purple color, and other potatoes. Okay, so I prefer this. I prefer using this for this video. Alright guys, let's get started by peeling off the potatoes. Alright guys, so this is the potato after peeling it. So I'll go ahead and cut the potato into my desired shape, or you can use any shape of your choice. Alright, so let's get started. The first thing you need to do is get rid of the edge, and the next thing is divide it into two, set one aside, and slice it into two. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and cut it this way, cut it this way. Okay, so this is the size. After peeling the potato, this is what we have left. This is what we got. And after dicing it, after cutting the potato, and these are the shapes I cut the potatoes. So you can just go ahead and cut the potatoes in your desired shape. Okay, so I like mine to be this way, or even this. Okay, so just go ahead and do whatever pleases you. Alright, so I'll go ahead and add some salt to it. So I'll add some salt. I think that salt is enough. So then all we need to do is do this, and turn again, and do this. Mix the potato together with the sprinkled salt. Mix the potato together with the sprinkled salt, and leave it in a sieve to dry out the water. Okay, so we are ready to fry the potatoes. using my onions, the white onion, the yellow bell pepper, the red bell pepper, and 1 tomato. Then I have this spicy chili here.